Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share you how you can solve easily IELTS listening multiple choice question. To solve multiple choice question, just follow process of elimination. That means cut wrong option by using paraphrase, synonym or hearing carefully. This question has taken from IELTS Cambridge 19 listening to part 3. Let's see what say here. At first, Don thought the topic of recycling footwear might to be limited in scope, hard to recharge, boring listening. Let's play audio. What say here?
Hi, Don. Did you get the copy of the article on recycling footwear that I emailed you?
Yeah, it's here. I've had a look at it.
So, do you think it's a good topic for our presentation?
Well, before I started reading it, I thought recycling footwear. Well, although it's quite interesting, perhaps there isn't enough to say about it, because we put shoes in recycling bins. They go to charity shops, and that's about it.
But there's much more to it than that.
I realise that now, and I'm keen to research the topic more.
That's great.
Let's explain what Don thought about recycling footwear. He says, perhaps there is not enough to say about it. This means limited in scope. And another option, he says, I'm keen to recharge. So he don't say it's a hard to recharge. So it will not our answer. He didn't say anything listening boring for listening. So it will not our answer. So it will be cut in process of animation. So our answer will be A. By following this rule, you can solve next question.
Was just how many pairs of trainers get recycled.
Well, a lot of young people wear them all the time now. They've become more popular than ordinary shoes.
I know. I guess they are very hard wearing. But don't they look a bit casual for school uniform? I don't think they're right for that.
Actually, I think some of them look quite smart on pupils. Better than a scruffy old pair of shoes. So, do you keep shoes a long time?
Yes, though I do tend to wear my old pairs for doing dirty jobs like cleaning my bike.
I must admit, I've recycled some perfectly good shoes that haven't gone out of fashion and still fit, just because they don't look great on me anymore. That's awful, isn't it?
I think it's common because there's so much choice. The article did say that recent sales of footwear have increased enormously.
That didn't surprise me.
No, but then it said that the amount of recycled footwear has fallen. It's 6% now, compared to a previous level of 11%. That doesn't seem to make sense.
That's because not everything goes through the recycling process.